Alright guys, so starting with the number 3, the Visual Studio Code. This is the light version of the Microsoft Visual Studio. This is one of the best text editors. So I'm going to be write a bunch of code. So as you can see, if I try to save the file, and you can save the many extensions that it supports. This supports many languages that you can write. So as you can see, you can write a bunch of code, and one of the best thing is, as you can see, it's going to be autofill, and it's going to be colored the syntax and everything. You can also change the themes that you want, and a lot of themes is available on the App Store. We can go in and download a bunch of themes and customize your text editor. So the one major thing it has is it has a built-in terminal. So if you press the Control tilde, it's going to bring the console right there onto the text editor. You can compile right there, and you can see the output of your program. That is really an amazing. And the number 2 is the Sublime text editor. So far, this is my favorite text editor. I've been using for a long time ago, and this is my favorite text editor. And it supports also the syntax highlighting. It do support many programming languages that you can write right there, and it has a beautiful text color coding, and it has a beautiful amazing interface that you can see. It has the auto completion of many other things. So one of the major thing is it can read. It can show the binary files also. For example, if you have an executable file, you can open and you can see what's inside. So as you can see, I'm trying to compile those two files are generated on my desktop. One is an executable file, another one is an object file. So if you want to see what's inside, maybe probably Sublime is only text editor that's going to be display what's inside those files. Obviously the binary code is there, so you can see the bunch of zeros, ones, and you can also open any other extension file, maybe the .apk, .exe, many other files. The Sublime has built-in integration to show the binary code. And last but not the least, number 1 is the Atom text editor. So this is especially for the web designers, though it supports many modules so that you can write any other program. So in this case, as you can see, I'm trying to write a bunch of code in C. While writing the C source code, did you observe that what's going on? That's the beautiful ripple effect, and also the screen shaking while you're trying to write a code. So that is really attracted me, and if you're trying to write again, it's going to become the little bubbles effect. That is really amazing. It keeps you writing the code, and that is really my favorite text editor. And it can support a bunch of languages, and you can try to write, you can syntax highlighting. It has a beautiful auto completion, and one of the greatest thing is it has the packages installer. So the meaning for any programming language, you can install the different kind of the packages available right there, and it has a huge community out there. And in this case, if you have the I tried the C++, and you can try to install the many modules regarding the C++, like auto completion, syntax highlighting, many other things. You can do it right there. You can also change your themes, and you can do a lot of stuff with the Atom text editor. That's it, and these are my top 3 text editors, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye now.